Hello. We're going to be going over how to transpose data. Oftentimes you'll have data that is in a situation where it's vertical data or horizontal data and you want to switch it to the other direction. It's similar going from like portrait printing to landscape printing, so you're basically going to just flip it 180 degrees. So in this case what we're going to do is take this information, and we would like the months to actually be column headings rather than row headings. So what we're going to do is highlight this data, copy it by doing Control C. I'm going to come over to where I want to paste it in a different location. So I'm going to come over to the paste area, and on this we're going to simply do the drop down where it's going to be paste. Actually it's paste special transpose, so we're going to just simply select the transpose, and notice it got flipped around. So once we do that, we can go in and get rid of the columns, basically the data that we don't want to have any longer. I'm going to go delete it. In this case I really don't want these months, these payments and collections, so I'm going to delete that. The month is actually in a merge cell. Notice cell A1, so I'm going to go ahead and convert that just to clean it up a little bit. So all I'm doing is cleaning up the data. I'm going to get rid of this column A, delete that. Now I'm going to come in and stretch out the data a little bit so it's a little bit easier to read. Then over here in the rows, I'm going to highlight the entire spreadsheet and automatically set the row height by double clicking between rows 2 and 3, or any of these rows that I've got highlighted. And notice that the rows automatically get to the correct height. Then I'm going to come in and do the auto column width. So there's all sorts of scenarios I can do on this one, but notice now I do have the month headings the way I'd like it to be. I'm going to go and center it, bold it, highlight the background a little bit, and again I'm going to go in and do the column widths, and it appears to be what I would like to do. As far as the formatting, I can now easily reference this information with no difficulty with relative referencing when I set up my cash budget. So this should help a little bit on how to transpose data. Hope this helps.